Thinking about buying or selling a home in Queens? You'll want to pay attention to the market update because the numbers tell an interesting story. The Queens real estate market continues to show strength, even as inventory remains tight and buyers face continued competition. So let's take a look at what happened during May 2026.
Let's start with single-family homes. The median sales price increased to $850,000, up nearly 2% from May of last year. Even more impressive, over the last 12 months, the median sales price has climbed to $875,000, which is almost 5% higher than a year ago. This means homeowners in Queens continue to build equity despite market fluctuations.
And inventory remains limited. There were 1,225 single-family homes available for sale in May. That's down almost 9% compared to last year. And when inventory is low and demand remains steady, sellers continue to have an advantage. And that's one of the reasons homes sold for an average of 97.2% of their original asking price. In other words, well-priced homes are still attracting serious buyers.
One area that slowed down was the number of closed sales. Single-family home sales were down about 26% compared to May of last year. But that doesn't necessarily mean demand is weak. Many buyers are still competing for a limited number of available homes, which continues to support home values throughout Queens.
Now, let's talk about condos. The median condo price increased to just over $640,000. Condo inventory dropped more than 10% compared to last year, giving sellers fewer competitors on the market. While sales volume declined, prices continue moving higher, showing that buyers are still willing to pay for quality properties in desirable Queens neighborhoods.
Co-op buyers are also staying active. The median co-op price increased to $325,000, up nearly 2% from last year. But buyers are taking a little longer to make decisions, with average market time increasing to 106 days. Even so, co-op values continue trending upward across Queens.
Let's take a quick look at multifamily properties, one of the most popular investments in Queens. During May 2026, 107 2 to 4 family properties sold across Queens, and the median sales price reached $1.18 million, compared to approximately $1,065,000 during the same month last year. That's an increase of more than 10% year over year. And multifamily properties continue to be in high demand among both investors, owner-occupants looking to offset housing costs with rental income.
Now let's talk about what may be the most important number in today's market: pending sales. Pending sales represent buyers who have already signed contracts and are waiting to close. In May, there were 278 single-family homes that went into contract in Queens, with a median asking price of approximately $943,000. The typical home going under contract spent just 34 days on the market, showing that well-priced homes are still moving quickly. That is a strong signal that buyer demand remains active despite higher home prices and interest rates.
And the multifamily market is showing similar strength. During May, 173 2 to 4 family properties went into contract across Queens, with a median asking price of $1,225,000 and a median market time of only 42 days. When you combine those pending sales with the increase in multifamily prices, it's clear that investors and owner-occupants continue to see long-term value in Queens real estate.
There were also 364 condos and co-ops that went into contract during May, with a median asking price of $365,000 and a median market time of 55 days. That tells us that there is still a strong activity among first-time home buyers, downsizers, and investors looking for more affordable entry points into the Queens market.
So while closed sales were down compared to last year, the pending sales numbers tell a different story. Buyers are still writing offers, properties are still going under contract, and demand continues to support home values throughout Queens.
So what does all of this mean? If you're a seller, rising home prices and limited inventory create an excellent opportunity to maximize your home's value. If you're a buyer, preparation is more important than ever. Having your financing strategy and local market knowledge in place can make the difference between winning and losing the home you want.
And that's when working with a local expert matters. We're not just your real estate agents. We're Queens residents who live, work, and invest in the community we serve every day.
I'm Alejandra.
And I'm Elias.
We are the brokers owners of Empire Fine Homes, helping buyers, sellers, investors, and families throughout Queens make smart real estate decisions.
So if you're thinking about selling your home anywhere in Queens, let's talk. And if you're planning to buy a home, condo, co-op, or multifamily property in Queens, we love to help you create a winning strategy.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share with anyone thinking about buying or selling real estate in Queens. It will mean the world to us.
And for more Queens market updates, home values, real estate tips, follow Empire Fine Homes. We'll see you in the next market report.